In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns to Jira Table List View. To get started, open Jira and make sure you are on the project where you want to customize your list. Once you are inside the correct project, look at the tabs near the top of the page and select the List View. This is the view that displays your issues in a table format, which makes it much easier to scan, compare, and organize information across multiple tasks. After the list view loads, move your mouse over to the header of the far right column in the table. As you hover your cursor there, Jira will usually reveal a small plus icon for adding another column. This option can be easy to miss at first. So take your time and position your cursor directly over the column header area until the icon appears. When you see the plus icon, click it. This opens the menu where you can choose which field you want to display as a new column. From here, you can either scroll through the list of available fields or use the search bar to quickly find the one you need. The search bar is especially helpful if you already know the name of the field you want, such as priority, assignee, due date, status, or any custom field your Jira workspace uses. Once you find the field you want to add, simply click on its name. Jira will instantly insert it as a new column in your list view. That means you can immediately start viewing and working with that information right alongside your other issue details. This is a great way to tailor the table to your workflow and make the most important data visible without opening each issue individually. Here is also an important variation to keep in mind. In some Jira setups, instead of seeing the plus icon beside the far right column, you may see a columns drop-down menu in the top right area of the list workspace. If that's the case, click the Columns menu, then check or uncheck the fields you want to show or hide. This gives you another quick way to control which columns appear in the table. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.